Find a comfortable seated position. You can sit on the floor or on a chair. Gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Slowly exhale through your mouth. Let your shoulders relax. Let your hands rest softly on your knees or in your lap. Now bring your attention to your breath. Just notice the air coming in and going out. No need to change it. Just observe. Feel the sensations. Feel the breath as it enters through your nose and leaves through your nose. If any thoughts come, it is okay. Gently bring your focus back to the breath. Take another slow breath in and out. Feel your body becoming still. Your mind becoming quiet. Even just for a moment. Now take one last deep